Okay, Jamin ભાઈ, તો તમને creating vision clear થઈ ગયું?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are clear with all mission, right? So there are 3 mission what we carry. A set of activities. We have different development programs and services that we offer. Specified into the life development services, as you have seen, then business development services, and especially for the association and dream, we have a creating vision. Is it clear?
Sir,
Right.
I have one question about CSR distribution. I have not any knowledge about it. So
Okay, CSR
heard it.
distribution is, yes, I will just define it. CSR distribution is basically the corporate social responsibilities. It is referred as a corporate social responsibilities. Okay, for example, Tata. So as being a corporate, the very named corporate of India, they have to do some corporate social activities. So they have some social responsibilities they do, and in return they get a tax benefit. Okay, and also they get their values and strength from the market, as because they are doing something for people. As if you know, currently recently Tata gave some money, you know. Also Tata has launched couple of development programs like ICICI does, lot of corporate does it. And our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has
Narendra
already
Modi.
empowered, yes, those CSR activities. So those activities are happening, but it is not giving actual effectiveness to some of the organizations, the small organizations, SM, small and medium enterprises, or they are not doing it because they don't have that base. So we help them and empower their CSR activities, which helps them to save the tax, as well as it also helps them to create the value in the society and surrounding. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So are you clear with our, the mission statement? Could you just go back to the all 3 mission in a one slide? Just go back to the slide, the mission slide, where all 3 missions are mentioned. Go back, yes. So these are all 3 mission, the basically set of activities which we carry in each segment. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So like we, as I explained already, once again, I'll just reiterate. Life development services, different life development services that helps the person to develop the life. We carry all activities and courses over here. We have a business development services, right, which helps the business to grow, right? So different activities are there. And creating a vision is basically, we believe in teamwork. So we want to empower our dreams and vision by, associating with the people. So we carry a lot of activities, where we associate with the people, right?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next slide? Value slides. So now what are the core values? So could you just read this statement, which is always said by the great man, I'm sure.
Value is more expensive than the price. Yes.
आपने कहीं पढ़ा है, ये किसने कहा है, ऐसा पता है कुछ?
Sir, I have read it several times, but I will not remember. But
maybe Warren Buffett. I am also not so sure, but yes, it is said by Warren Buffett. Who is Warren Buffett? You know, I am sure. I'm not to tell.
Yes, yes, sir.
And the most disciplined, the most ground level, the powerful, everything. Like Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata Sahab, आप देख लो तो he is the one, and Tata Group has been the one, and I had privilege to work with Tata Group, so I know, right? I owe that group, and that is one of the most powerful group. They also believe in this. Value is more expensive than the price. Price means what customer pays, and value means what you get, right? It is not for customer, it's for everybody within the organization. So let me be very specific. In our organization, Life learning, we believe that everyone is valuable for us. Whether they are customer, they are employee, they are associate,
Employees.
anyone. They are paying price. Price is always not paid in the the form of currency. Sometimes it's
Currency.
time, sometimes it's energy, right? So there are so we want that price. Price means we mean to say that money, either it's money or energy or time or your knowledge, anything, right? That anybody is paying. They should draw the maximum value out of this. है ना? So like તમે કેન્ડિડેટ તરીકે જોઈન થયા છો લાઈફ કોચિંગમાં તો તમે પૈસા આપો છો, ફીસ આપો છો. અને અમે તમને દરેક ક્વાર્ટરમાં આપ્યું છે કે જો તમને વેલ્યુએબલ ના લાગે તો તમે તમારા પૈસા ગમે તે ટ્રાઇમેસ્ટર પર રિક્લેમ કરી શકો છો 100%. Because if you are not, we are less concerned with the price, we are more concerned with the values that you are putting. Isn't it? So we are more focused on the values. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
We carry our values, and we want each associate of us, each associate, every person working in the organization or working for the organization or associated with the organization must carry the value, right? They have to draw the values. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we will see one by one what are the values we carry. Right? Next slide. Can you read them one by one for me?
Yes, sir. Trust, respect, excellence, collaboration, growth.
Correct. હવે ખાલી પહેલી વાંચો. Read the first one.
Trust. We uphold the highest standards both for the coaching profession and our organization.
Could you just make your mic little bit away from your mouth? So કેમ કે અવાજ બહુ વધારે આવે. So now you can read that.
We uphold the highest standards both for the coaching profession and our organization.
Correct. So we have a trust. We trust our own process, we trust our own policies, we trust our own development, that we are bound to give you the coaching and the values what you have come for, like confidence and capabilities, right? As you have enrolled for life coaching, we are bound to give you that, and we know we have a highest trust on our process that you will get it, right? But you also need to hold the same. You have to hold the trust on that process, you have to follow the process, and you have to do as guided, right? And that is the reason we give you, to build up the trust, we tell you that we will give you 100% fees refund if you do not get the value. Nobody will tell you, but our policy itself talks about our value. So we hold the trust, highest trust from both the sides. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We are bound to give you the values, and we are sure that end of the life coaching program, you will have your own perception and life which you never expected for. And it will be more than the price what you pay, right? Because we value your time, we value your energy, your interest, your age, right? Is it clear? So you need to
Yes.
trust us, and everywhere you need to cut the trust. You need to keep all materials and everything with you. You cannot share with anybody. That's a matter of trust. And if you breach the trust, then there will be a policies and the legal action which will be taken against you. Am I clear with this?
Yes,
So
sir.
as a part of integrity, you cannot share the material also with anybody. We are keeping a trust with you. You also need to keep trust with us, right? Can you read the second one?
Respect. We are inclusive and value the diversity and the richness of our global stakeholders. We put people first without compromising standards, policies, and quality.
Okay. So respect is the second value that you need to carry. Okay. You have to respect, and we do. we, not you, I would say we have to respect all. As you see that the employees or other coaches or associates or anybody, right? We know that people have different thoughts, different opinions, they come from the different backgrounds, but we do not make fun of them. We help them to grow. We help them to achieve their standard and grow their life. So respect is the first key which you and I or anybody within the organization has to care. We have to respect the diversity of thoughts, culture, and everything. Everything. We put people first. We do not see or judge the people based on their standard, their qualities, culture, anything. Nothing comes in between. Right? So you also, as being a part, you also need to be very specific with this. Once you are under the coaching, you have to carry this respect and values for each coach, everyone. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
This will not be compromised. Okay, none of our values are compromised. Please remember that, right? As an organization, we strictly follow our values. Could you just read the third one?
Yes, excellence. We set and demonstrate standards of excellence of professional coaching quality, qualification, and competence.
I suppose not to tell you this because you have seen our results. You
Yes,
have enrolled for this course because one of your friend did it in 2018-19, I guess,
18,
and he has achieved great success, and you have seen the change. So you know that we master excellence because we have a systematic approach. We have a link process to take you through for your change, right? So the same way, we master the excellence in every process, every product, every service. You also need to perform the same, which is expected from you. You need to perform with the excellence. You need to perform with your all heart. Am I clear with this?
yes,
So from you, what is expected is we have set the excellence, the process, documentation, everything. But we want you to perform the excellence. Am I clear with this?
yes, sir. I will.
I repeat my statement. We are here to facilitate the excellence. We have set everything, platform, process, documentation, everything. Just you need to perform the excellence as a coach. Give your all 100%. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then go to the next.
Growth. Together we bring comfort. I think collaboration.
Collaboration.
Yes. We value the social connection and we collaborate, coordinate, and cooperate for mutual growth and learning.
Yes. So tomorrow, if you feel like to grow with us as a counselor and you want to join us, you want to earn, you want to learn more, and you want to be associated with us, you can do that. Right? Because you will do life coaching, so you will be master of it, you will know it, you will practice it, so you can guide others. Right? You can help others to make their lives too. Isn't it?
Yes.
Right? So you can collaborate and you can, bring new ideas. You can own this family because as you are a part of this family.
Innovation.
Right? Yes. And the last one is
Growth. Together we bring comfort and confident life learning.
yes. So as we said that I have already shared that comfort, I mean to say that today people can learn by sitting at home. Time, energy, lot of cost can be saved. They will be pretty confident and have a life learning. So if I see this growth together, we want to bring that comfort and confident life learning, right? So as you have a comfort of sitting at home and learning, I have comfort. We all have comfort. Yes, we save our time, cost, energy. We are not being free. We are developing ourselves. We are learning. Right? We are earning also. Right? And this privilege is there. From any corner of the world, we can do it. So in terms of growth, we talk about we say that we want to bring the comfort and confident life learning. Is it clear?
Yes.
So are you clear about our values?
Yes, sir.
So there are 5 core values: trust, respect,
Yes.
excellence, collaboration, and growth, as I have explained. We master them and we just carry, as I have explained, that what is our vision. While achieving the vision, there is a set of activities we follow. So I have already explained you all our mission, like what are the services we offer in the app development, business development, and creating vision. And while we are catering this mission of ours, we follow and carry the values. So these are our core values which we keep in mind. We do not compromise and we do not wish any of our associate to compromise. Are you clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
So welcome to life learning earning. जैसे आप अभी इसका पार्ट बन चुके हो, as you have become the part of our team, you are also expected to carry these values very strong. Am I clear with this? Shall we go to the next slide? So thank you for being such a good candidate. Do you have any question?
No, sir, not yet.
Tell us that first thing I would like to ask that is, as you are a newcomer and the first member, you know, so I would like to ask you that how do you find this our vision, mission, and values? What did you learn new today? How did you find it?
So, vision, sir, vision is vision is to develop is a life development and that kind of thing. And mission, like
कैसा लगा? आप मुझे दिल से बताओ, आपको कैसा लगा हमारा विजन, मिशन, वैल्यूज? हाउ डिड यू फाइंड? व्हाट डिड यू लाइक द मोस्ट? और कोई सजेशन है चेंज करने के लिए तो आप दे सकते हो.
not any suggestion, but it's like એ મારા માટે બી સારું નથી, but બધા માટે સારું છે. As a entrepreneur, as a business coach, or someone who has to change their lives, or they have to come out of something bad happened in their life, and they want to like grow up, they want to create a vision in their own lives, and that's all.
Correct. So did you like it? Are you confident that you are going to be a part of this team and grow like anything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you
I
ready
have
to boost up?
confidence. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you read this?
Yeah, vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. Jonathan Swift. Sir, I have read many books of Jonathan Swift.
Wow, wonderful. Happy to hear that. So वो कहते हैं vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. So we have dreamt and also of course you will also will be able to see those things which are currently invisible within you. But soon I am sure you will be able to see the invisible of you. Right? So with that note, I'll end my session here. If you have any question, you can ask me. Right? So you don't have any question, right? So thank you so much, Jaimin Bhai, for being such a wonderful candidate. See you into the next session. Okay? Take care and have a wonderful time.